In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HTML in Constant Contact. Whether you're crafting a unique email campaign or designing a stunning web page, knowing how to maneuver through HTML can really enhance your creativity and functionality. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily make this happen within Constant Contact. The first thing you want to do is click on the email option within your Constant Contact dashboard. This will be your gateway into creating and customizing emails. Now, keep an eye out for the option labeled Build with HTML. Clicking this option will redirect you to the HTML editor, the space where the magic happens. This is a powerful tool that allows you to go beyond standard templates and sprinkle in some customized HTML code for a more personalized touch. Once you're in the HTML editor, you have two choices. You can paste in pre-built code if you've got something pre-prepared that you want to use. This is great if you've worked up a design elsewhere and simply want to implement it here. If you're feeling creative, you can start from scratch and build the web page or email exactly how you like it, using the elements that suit your brand or message best. It's a good idea to give your HTML project a memorable name. This could relate to your campaign or the specific email message you're sending out. Naming your project appropriately is not just for organization, but it also helps you quickly locate and manage your projects down the line. As you work, you'll likely notice the Live Preview button. By toggling this, you can instantly see how your changes will look in real time. This means less hassle and more precision in your design process, as you can tweak elements and see immediate results. In the same interface, you'll find a Save button to keep your progress secure. Given how intricate HTML work can be, frequently saving your work is crucial to avoid losing any developments. Alongside that, you'll also see Check and Preview and Continue buttons. The Check and Preview button is an excellent tool for ensuring everything is A-OK before finalizing your email or page. It can help you spot errors or adjustments needed from a viewer's perspective. When you're satisfied with the design and functionality, the Continue button is there to guide you to the next phase in your email setup, be it scheduling or sending. And that's how you integrate HTML into your Constant Contact efforts. With these steps, you're all set to create customized, high-impact emails that can captivate your audience. Experiment with your coding skills. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be mastering the art of HTML in Constant Contact. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.